Hello, welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Back out in the shop with Jake. Jake has a speaking role again this time. It's all good. Got a fun project with a zebra printer, and we do a lot of this where we actually modify zebra label printers. We bring them in for whatever reason. It won't do what the customer needs it to do. We've done fan fold trays. We've done extended peel plates. We've done all kinds of things. But in this case, Jake, there's a round label. The customer has some super old printers that they're replacing that are like decades old, so they need to get updates. But the zebra printer out of the box won't sense this round label to do an edge detect,
right?
Do
the peel and present.
Yeah. Okay, so we're peeling, presenting this. So I'm just going to do it here. You ready? Yeah. The operator takes one, sticks it on the product, and another one automatically comes out. And oh, by the way, this label's mostly pre-printed, but you're putting a little freshness code or something on there?
Yeah, there's a lot code.
A lot code, okay, that's going on there. So, and you're doing that in the printer. This isn't even really connected to a PC, right?
Yeah, it's all print station, so the format's preloaded in the printer, and you actually print it from here. They don't need to send it down from a computer or anything.
Another thing we do all the time that we kind of don't talk about. So
3 formats in here.
So this one's a double one. Not only are we physically modifying the printer, which we're going to show here in a second, but we're also doing adding these formats to the printer so that you don't have to hook it up to a PC. We do that with our scan and prints all the time. So this has got everything. Okay, so Jake, show us what you've done here. You've got a little piece here, right?
Yeah, so we modified the peel sensor to make this round label work. Basically, we needed to move the sensor in towards the middle of the printer a little bit.
Okay.
So we reverse engineered the old bracket.
Where's the old one? Do you still have it around?
Yeah, got one right here. So the old bracket, this little metal piece.
Got it.
And we basically needed to shift it over a little bit.
You need this sensor to come in further so you could see the edge of this round label as it's sitting here. Yep. Because in the stock version, it was out beyond the edge of the label, and it would just keep spitting out labels because it would never see it. Got it.
Yeah, so we reverse engineered that, added a couple changes, and 3D printed a new one.
Our last video, we talked about the fact that we're 3D printing things now in-house, and so we 3D printed a replacement for that, right? You had enough cable to go ahead and you only got to move it in just a little bit,
yeah, it was
right?
like 1/4 of an inch, maybe, if that.
That you needed to move it in, so you didn't need no redo of the cables or anything. There was enough slack in the cable to do that. And then we 3D printed a longer piece, right?
Yeah, to stabilize it.
Yeah, so we actually maybe improved it. Yeah. Did it in plastic. We're not worried about that because this piece it's guarded. It doesn't get hit. So it should be okay that it's all plastic now. Cool. And so we're going to take this over to the customer. We've added their format so they can just have a standalone printer. B, we've modified the printer to work with their labels because it wouldn't out of the box. So that kind of value-added work is what we're doing here all the time, benefiting Zebra, benefiting the customer, doing whatever we need to do to get the product to work in the customer's environment. So good on you, Jake. Appreciate you doing that.
Thanks.
EMP Tech Group, always the best place to reach us. Thanks for your time today.